How to buy XRP on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy XRP on Binance. But before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. So now let's get started. So the process is really simple. Open up your Binance first and log in into your account. Then on the home page here, you can simply go to what's hot right now. You will see XRP right there. Tap on XRP. After you tap on XRP, you can then view how much it is currently, what its price, and everything else. So simply tap on buy here. And after you tap on buy, you can then put a price, or you can simply type in the amount of XRP that you want. Then finally tap on buy XRP. Now follow along the process and you'll have bought your XRP. It's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.